everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, how to check your TCS NQT result from Next Step portal. So I am going to share the complete process one by one, where you could see that how exactly you are going to check your result, and the result code also I will publish it here. But friends, I would like to tell you, this is not the official method which is released by TCS. Okay, so this is just a kind of experiment which I have done here. Okay, so this is, again, I wanted to tell you, this is not a officially released process by TCS. Okay, fine. So before I go and explain you, friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that see any genuine either it is result, preparation, hiring videos that you will be getting on our channel for sure. Okay, and today what I'm going to tell you, this is definitely you will be convinced. Okay, and you will come to know how exactly you have to do the things. Okay, so friend, this is your TCS Next Step portal, right? So once you open, you could see login. Okay, you have to put your DT reference ID and then this particular OTP. Okay, so once you come to this page, you right click and then you click on inspect. Okay, click on inspect. So basically this is TCS new portal, right? So newly launched portal, and I'm thinking there might be some kind of bug here, and because of that we are easily able to know the our result status and result code. Okay, but once again I wanted to tell you, this is not the officially released process of checking the result, and this might not be true as well. Okay, and then you have to click on network. Okay, and once you go and enter the DTID and then your particular this code and then pin, then here you will be able to see some details. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, so here you see, my dear friends, so after you log in, right, so here you have to give your DT reference ID and then this particular number, and then you have to request for OTP. But so once you are on the login page, I mean, before you enter the data, you have to go into the inspect mode. Okay, so that has to be there, and after that you put your details, correct? Okay, and then you will be logged in here, right? So hey someone, and then welcome to the TCS Next Step portal. And after that you have to go and click on network, right? Network. So here, after you log in, you will be able to see the many this thing here, right? So click on network, then you will be able to see like verify captcha, login mail, send OTP, all those things, the process. And then you have to click on login. It is already marked in the this particular yellow color. And then you could see your name will be there, candidate name, candidate middle name, first name, middle name, and then your last name. And here candidate status is 65, right? Candidate status is 65, correct? So this is in the network section. This you have to note it down. Now I have will show, and then what you have to do, then you have to go to the sources. So after network you can go to the sources, right? Okay, and then you have to go to this particular main. Right now you might not be able to see anything. Okay, okay, so here you won't be able to see. Okay, here also you're able to see. Now if you see this particular codes, so without even entering 65, 65 means HR interview selected. HR interview selected, that means you are selected after the HR interview. Okay, if somebody is getting the code that 69, that means HR rejected. Okay, somebody is getting 71, that means offer letter generated. Okay, so you could see the codes, no? So in the login, whatever you were able to see here in the previous page, 65, correct? 65. So that is listed here, and that is what I am guessing. Okay, so as I told you, it might not be true also, but you can still check the status, and you need to wait for another in my previous videos, right? So when I made the one video, see, many of them are making the video TCS result out, TCS offer letter out. Have you seen anyone Next Step portal where it is told offer letter generated? So many videos people are making, okay, without even having, see how many candidates has got the result. I don't know like how many of you have got the result, but I did not have that exact thing. So that is the reason I did not make the video. So here you could see TCS document verification mail, and there I have mentioned 3 days ago that your result will be out in 10 to 15 days. And what I feel is the result is already with TCS, and soon they will start, because you could see the status, and on your login page also you will be able to see. If you reject the offer letter, then 74 will be there. Okay, so from that code only they will be able to trace it. Okay, so all those things, technical interview selected. So if you are having 51, so technical, I mean, so this status you could have checked it earlier as well. Okay, so here I have anyway listed down all the status, and in the description also it will be there. Okay, and friends, once again I wanted to tell you very clearly that this particular status, right, or this particular video, so it's not a official way to check your result. This might be true or this might be false as well. I am not very sure. Okay, but this was what I was able to find out after doing this. And this particular candidate whom I have logged in with their ID, no, so candidate status is 65. So her interview was good, and she was telling, sir, I will get selected. So from there I was little convinced. But once again, I am very clear from my side. So this video, you please don't take it out that no, so this is how we will check the result. This is the correct things, or sir, you are bluffing, sir, you are doing this. No, this is just a way to check it, and you have to wait for the official email by TCS. So that's all I wanted to tell you. And I will make more videos on this next step portal, right? So the current changes, and I will try to help you as much as possible. Okay. But once again, so this is where I have showed you some, with some proof, I have showed you that how you can check the TCS result. But let's wait for some more days. Thank you. Take care and all the very best. Thanks for your love and support, which you are always giving me. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.